Imagine a battlefield dominated by cutting-edge technology, where tanks no longer just roll across the terrain, but command the field with unparalleled precision and power. Welcome to the future of U.S. military tanks, where innovation meets strategy in ways we've only dreamed of. As we look ahead, the evolution of tanks is not just about bigger guns or thicker armor. It's about integrating advanced technologies to create a new breed of combat vehicles. One of the most exciting developments is the implementation of artificial intelligence. Future tanks will be equipped with AI systems that can analyze vast amounts of battlefield data in real time, making split-second decisions that could turn the tide of war. These tanks will not only be able to navigate autonomously, but also identify threats and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. Another groundbreaking advancement is the development of directed energy weapons. Imagine a tank that can fire powerful laser beams, disabling enemy vehicles and drones without ever running out of ammunition. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of military technology. These energy weapons promise to revolutionize the battlefield, offering a nearly infinite supply of shots as long as there's power. Moreover, the tanks of tomorrow will boast enhanced stealth capabilities. Utilizing advanced materials and design, these tanks will be harder to detect by enemy sensors, allowing them to strike first and retreat without being seen. This element of surprise will be a game changer in modern warfare. The integration of advanced robotics and unmanned systems will also redefine tank warfare. Swarms of drone companions will accompany tanks, providing reconnaissance, electronic warfare support, and even direct engagement with enemy forces. These drones will extend the tank's reach and effectiveness, creating a more versatile and formidable fighting force. The future of U.S. military tanks is a blend of cutting-edge technology and strategic innovation, promising to deliver a new era of dominance on the battlefield. Stay tuned as we explore these advancements and more, reshaping the way wars are fought and won.